Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Citi Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in citibank.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Citi Bank website. Now from the home page, if you don't have an account already, you can click on open an account at the top section and you will be taken into the account opening or sign up page. You will first need to enter your zip code within the zip code box and then click on the submit button. After entering your zip code, you will be shown various different options for the kind of account that you can open. Just click on the open account button within the kind of account that you want to create and then scroll down to see the details. After you see all of your details and read all the instructions, click on the open account button and you will be taken into the further registration. You will need to start by fulfilling your personal information, including your first and your last name and your date of birth, followed by your social security number or your taxpayer identification number. After entering all of these, click on the continue button and you will be asked to verify your identification. You will need to provide various proofs of your government issued ID. And after all of your information has been verified, you will need to fill up the information about your income. Once you provide these information as well, you will finally be allowed to create your username and password. Just type in your desired username and password and click on the sign up button, and after agreeing with all of the terms and conditions, your account will officially be signed up. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to create a new account and sign up on Citi Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.